Visit our website to start your Spanish learning journey.
The present perfect or pretérito perfecto is a compound tense formed with the present tense of the helping verb haber and the past participle of the main verb, participio. The English equivalent of haber plus past participle is to have done something. In the present tense, it corresponds to the present perfect in English. For example, yo he visitado México 3 veces. I have visited Mexico 3 times. Pero, ¿qué es haber? What is haber? The verb haber in Spanish is one of the most flexible and useful verbs. As a verb, it has several meanings. The most important are to exist and to happen. But here, the verb is acting as an auxiliary verb, which means it helps us build a specific verb tense. It is the same as in English. The verb to have means to possess, but it also acts as an auxiliary verb when you say, I have visited Mexico 3 times. In this sentence, the verb have loses its meaning of possess, and it becomes a helping word to build the present perfect tense.